beaches. Here they come.
Hey guys, it is December the 5th, 2023, and today I'm going to start a little series of videos to show you what Orange Beach Gulf Shores look like around the holidays. Going to start out over at the Wharf, take a look at the new construction, the ice rink they're putting in, travel down Canal Road through Orange Beach, check out the beach itself, other new developments and buildings, wrap it up in Gulf Shores. It'll be several days back-to-back of videos from around Orange Beach Gulf Shores. So hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Okay, for day one, we are here at the Wharf. Going to take a look around and see what's going on. It's an early morning. It's around 8:30, so not a lot of traffic over here right now. A good time to drive through and get you a few shots of what's happening at the Wharf. December the 5th, 2023. The new addition here at the Wharf is coming along. Going to be more shops and another little green area, a little park area between. Construction on the Wharf ice rink is going along too. Have that up shortly and be able to ice skate at the beach. And that's just a quick little look around the wharf here on December the 5th. Still 8:30 in the morning, so not really a lot of people out. A lot of the construction going on today. They're completing the ice rink and the addition to the wharf shops. We're going to head out tomorrow down Canal Road to the east, down around, through town, and to the beach. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Tune in tomorrow for Canal Road, the rest of the trip around Orange Beach Gulf Shores.
18 inches, here they come.